Hello, and welcome to this video where I will share with you actually 32 different types of social media posts for small business owners. Let me quickly introduce myself for those of you who don't know me. My name is Petra and I blog over at bigincomeparadise.com. And you are in the right place if you want to grow your small business with unique and outstanding social media content. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ding that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Now, let's start with this 32 different types of social media posts. There are engagement posts, business posts, value and knowledge, infographics. By the way, I do recommend you to use infographics because they are easier for your audience to learn some information and they're more fun. Then selfie posts are great for boosting your engagement. Pool questions and questions are also great for engagement boost. Then we have stories, which I do recommend that you share at least one story per week. So I'm not talking about Instagram stories or Facebook stories, but your own story. So then you can create videos, which can be live or recorded, quotes, memes, GIFs, funny posts. And yes, you can use funny posts in your business because not, a lot of small business owners think that they need to be very serious, but your audience doesn't want you to always be serious. So if you're going to be funny, your engagement is going to go up. People will see the other side of you, which is also great, right? So if you have a blog, you can also share your blog posts, then talk about trending topics, freebies, which are going to obviously uh, grow your email list, behind the scenes, user generated content, review posts, giveaways and contests, presentations. Then we also have collaborations, interviews, case studies, fill in the blank, which also is an engagement boost, sneak peek, industry or niche oriented posts, problem solving posts. This are a must in your business, in any business, because your audience is actually searching for value and knowledge, for tips and tricks that can help them solve some of their problems. So then you can create product posts, testimonials, would you rather posts, and this or that posts. If you want to get all of this 32 different types of social media content, then go ahead and click on the link below, which is going to take you to my blog post where you're also going to learn, beside those 32 different types of social media posts, you are also going to learn what are the top 7 types of social media content. How can you write a catchy social media post? What is engaging content for social media? Where to find social media content and how to plan your social media posts. So, yes, go ahead and click on the first link in the description below. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.